In this video, we will show you how to adjust the density for imported embroidery designs so that you can make good use of those existing designs. When creating a design from scratch using the software's design tools, you can adjust the density using numeric values. When importing old embroidery files or files purchased by online databases, things are a little bit different. Imported designs do not consist of normal objects. If you select any design part, you will see under the object properties that they are raw type. This is not a specific type of file, therefore it cannot be manipulated as is. On the other hand, any normal object created has its own properties, whereas imported embroidery objects do not have stitch properties. The only properties you get with them is auto density adjust and density fine tune. When you enable auto density adjust option and transform, for example, a raw object, if you scale it up, then the software automatically adjusts the density of the raw part. This happens automatically so that the scaled part has the same density as the original one. But if you want to adjust the density of raw parts manually, you need to use the density fine tune. Using this property, you can increase or decrease the density of the design. Density adjustment range is plus/minus 25%. In this way, you can easily adjust the density of a section manually, even in embroidery files. When auto density adjustment is enabled, any density fine-tuning made after that is added to any auto density adjustment that might have occurred due to design scaling.